I am Swetha Madhusudanan, pursuing my PhD with Department of Architecture, Satyabama University. My research is on reducing energy consumption through the use of sustainable initiatives, for which I have developed a brick using industrial slag and phosphogypsum. The brick, which I have named and patented as Spash bricks, which comes from industrial waste like copper slag, agricultural waste like phosphogypsum, fly ash and a small portion of cement, which can be used as an alternative to conventional brick. And then it underwent various testing like the compressive strength, the flexure strength, the split tensile strength, then the drop test, then efflorescence, then water absorption test. So, these tests were carried out and which turned to be positive when compared to that of a conventional brick. The research is carried out in 5 stages. The first stage of my research is to develop a brick which is alternate to the conventional brick. So, for which I have used industrial waste and agricultural waste and part of fly ash, that is also a industrial waste, and a part of cement. So, with these materials we have developed a module of brick size which is around a 9 inch by 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch and given it for testing. So, the test sounded positive, and then the second stage of my research went on to finding out the thermal conductivity of the brick. The thermal conductivity was much lesser. When tested for thermal conductivity, it was found to be much lesser than the conventional brick, which is around 1.3 watt per meter Kelvin, but our brick was around just 0.265 watt per meter Kelvin. So, which had a very good thermal insulation for our climate like Chennai. The third stage of our research went on to developing this brick into, that is, application of this brick to a load bearing structure and a frame structure. Now, this brick, since it had a very smooth surface and the brick size could be altered to around 1 feet 6 inches by 8 inches by 6 inches, the conventional brick size was 9 by 4.5 by 3. So, these two bricks were considered for a same building and the weight of the structure was calculated, and also the plastering was saved, and which gave a reduction of around 14 lakhs when compared to that of a conventional building. So, this is the stage, third stage of our research, where we were able to save around 16% of the construction cost using our industrial slag brick, that is the Spash bricks, when compared to that of the conventional brick. The fourth stage of design was application of these bricks into the real time project. The project which we designed, it was a residential building of a G+1 structure, where we compared these two bricks, that is the conventional brick and the industrial slag brick, and found out whether this thermal conductivity which was tested could aid the building. So, we found out through simulation using DOE software and SolidWorks software, we found out there was around 3 degrees lesser temperature was observed when industrial slag bricks was used when compared to the conventional brick building. The final stage of our research was about constructing a model room using these bricks. So, what we did was we constructed 2 model rooms, one made out of conventional brick, that is the traditional fire cane brick, the second one using our own Spash bricks. What we found out, for the month of February and January, we took the temperature difference from outside and inside. From there we found out, we used both manual as well as simulation. Manual, we found out there was around 3 degrees temperature was lesser when constructed using the industrial slag bricks, and using simulation the same model around the room size was around 8 feet by 9 feet and the height was around 10 feet, and the same building when used in simulation, we found there was around a temperature difference of around 5 to 6 degrees. So, this proved a very good result, and we are trying to, we have patented these bricks, and these bricks are available, the raw materials are available in Thoothukudi, and when it is manufactured, it costs around just 1.75 rupees. To transport it to Chennai, we need extra of 3 rupees per brick, which costs around 4.75, and which is much lesser than the conventional bricks, which is around 6 rupees on date. To conclude, we have gone for green certification, as well as these bricks when used in Chennai we can reduce the cost of the brick and we can reduce carbon emission, because these does not need curing, these does not need firing, because it can be molded, casted and just sun dried, and you need only 21 days to set. So these can be manufactured at anywhere in Chennai or anywhere in Tamil Nadu, because the raw materials are available in Tamil Nadu, and then these bricks will definitely aid to disposal of these dumping problems. These bricks, when used in construction industry, will definitely have a good impact on the environment, as well as it can save cost, it can save energy, and finally it can provide a comfortable and healthier living environment, as it will remove the dumping problems and hazardous waste problems. Thank you.